Hello friends, welcome to our channel Cook with Heart. So in today's video we gonna make Rooh Afza syrup in 3 different ways. If you know how to make Rooh Afza syrup, you can skip the recipe. Many of us don't know how to make Rooh Afza syrup, so this is the tutorial video in which I gonna make Rooh Afza in 3 different ways. So without wasting time, let's start the video. To make Rooh Afza syrup in 3 different ways, we need Rooh Afza syrup. Here I am using glasses to make Rooh Afza syrup. So I have 3 glasses here. 2 of them are half filled with water along with 1 tablespoon of sugar powder, and third is 1 teaspoon of sugar powder and half filled with milk. Here I am using powdered sugar to dissolve it quickly, but if you don't have powdered sugar, you can also use the regular sugar and dissolve it very well. It's time to add Rooh Afza syrup. So here I am adding 3 tablespoons of Rooh Afza syrup, 1 tablespoon in each glass. Mix it really well. This 1 tablespoon is just for half glass of this drink. To make full glass of this drink, here I am adding 1 teaspoon more of Rooh Afza syrup in each glass. This is for the remaining half part, which we will fill with water or milk. Mix it really well. So to make first type of Rooh Afza drink, fill remaining glass with water. You can serve this drink as it is, but to increase its taste and immunity, I am adding basil seeds. So here I am adding 1 tablespoon of soaked basil seeds, which is very good for health. But if you don't like it, you can totally skip it. So I add 1 tablespoon of this. Mix it once. And our first way of Rooh Afza syrup is completely ready. Moving with second way of Rooh Afza. So our second way is Rooh Afza lemonade. To make Rooh Afza lemonade, firstly add chopped mint, which is fresh mint. Fresh mint is really needed, and freshly cutted lemon. Dissect lemon really well. The sweetness of lemon is really necessary. To squeeze juice of lemon and mint, squeeze the lemon and mint really well. To squeeze it, here I am using a stick. You can also use the rolling pin if you don't have any stick. Now fill the remaining glass with water and our Rooh Afza lemonade is ready. You can make the same recipe using club soda, which is also good. And our second way Rooh Afza or Rooh Afza lemonade is completely ready. Garnish it with a slice of lemon. You can show it is looking so good. So moving to the third way of Rooh Afza, which is of milk or Rooh Afza cold drink. So to make Rooh Afza cold drink, firstly mix the Rooh Afza really well and fill the remaining glass with milk. You can show the color is not desirable. To get the desirable color and taste, add 1 more tablespoon of Rooh Afza. Milk needed more Rooh Afza syrup, so remember that. Mix it really well. You can serve this as it is, or to increase its taste, add 1 tablespoon of basil seeds. So here I am using soaked basil seed, which is of good quality. So our third Rooh Afza is also ready. You can show the Rooh Afza's recipe is too easy to make and it is really refreshing. So give them a try and let me know in the comment section below that how this recipe turned out to you. If you like the recipe, give it a big thumbs up. Share this video with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe Cook with Heart, and if you want to know the complete recipe in Hindi, you can also visit our second channel Cook with Heart. Link is given in the description box below. Thank you for watching.